Hey guys, it's Tanner again with Skope. Today we're really excited to show you our new Bluetooth shutter button that we're going to be introducing. Basically you'll just set it up to your iPhone, Android, and you will just adapt it as a Bluetooth device. From there you can take your pictures and video without having to touch your spotting scope or binoculars if they're on the tripod. Just makes for really nice, steady, crisp images. Alright guys, so to get going, you'll take your Bluetooth shutter and your phone, you'll pair them together, go into your camera app, and it's just that easy. Start taking pictures and video that way. Like I said, you no longer have to touch your spotting scope or your phone to take that picture or video. And it's just that simple. You push the button, start taking video, just like that. Turn it off, just like that.